Two divisions have already been set para sa ating SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup Finals. Pero kailangan pa ng ating dalawang division na makahanap ng kanilang mga representante para sa finals bukas as we are live mula dito sa loob ng napakagandang Brenzy Giao Convention Center here in San Fernando, Pampanga, as we will now be having our semi-finals of your 17 under as we take a look at Nathan Sundararaja, and will score 13 points and 9 rebounds in their last game contra Familia DC. He will be going up against the sharpshooter Aitrey Madrigal, scoring 21 points on 6 of 11 three-point shooting in that win against Gilas Montreal. That is our game at hand. It is Field Hoops Basketball kontra UBL San Felipe Neri. Magandang araw po muli mga kasinag mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Alvin Tañada, and working this game with me is his Royal Ernest himself, Coach Ernest Alaw. Coach, eto na po, semifinals na tayo, and everyone is very much excited for this battle.
Yeah, good afternoon, Coach Alvin. I know these guys, itong Canada team, sobrang explosive niyang mga yan. But this will be my first time. Ito, covering itong team ni Coach Alan.
Yes, and syempre, hindi lang tayong dalawa ang kasama natin, magkasama dito. Kasama rin natin dito, the Dora, the Explorer herself, Daphne Lozano. Daphne, alam ko excited ka na. And how excited are you for this semifinals of the 17 under?
I'm very excited, Alvin. But first, good afternoon, Alvin and Coach Ernest. At good afternoon din sa ating mga kasinag na nakasubaybay ngayon after 2 tiring days of the elimination round. We are now down to our last 2 days of the tournament, which is the semi-finals round. That's why I am Daphne Lozano, and I will be your Dora the reporter that will explore the sidelines for you. Back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Daphne. Ayun nga, explore niya mamaya ang parehas na koponan natin in this semifinals game. And don't forget to like and share our Facebook and Instagram page at Sinag Liga Asia, and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok at Sinag Liga TV. And right now, Coach Ernest, tingnan naman natin ngayon ang ating format para malaman din ng ating mga fans paano tayo napunta dito sa ating semifinal round?
Yeah, so 2 groups of 5 teams, single round elimination, and top 2 teams will advance to the semifinals. If ever man na may mga ties between those teams, between 2 teams, it will be winner over the other. Pag 3 teams naman yung tied, point differential naman. Sa semifinals, simple lang, crossover semis, A1 versus B2 and B1 versus A2. And finals, 1 game lang, Coach Alvin, very quick knockout game.
And yun nga, ang ating team standings, tingnan naman natin kung ano yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. And Coach, you can see here, very easy in bracket A, Pampanga Pradera, taking over everyone there with a clean sweep.
Oh, they are very strong. They showed their dominance early in the league. Pero we can see itong PhilHoops na maglalaro ngayon, they are 3-1 going up against the UBL San Felipe Neri na 4-0.
And you can see also on the other side, may tabla na 2-2. Itong si Last Shot Dubai at si Max Davao. Since Last Shot Dubai ay nanalo nga dito kontra sa Max Davao, eh sila ang papasok. Let's take a look now at the numbers for both squads, Coach Ernest, and look at those numbers now.
Oh, we can see na both teams very high scoring. Andun talaga yung pagiging offensive threat. Yung rebounding, we can see na medyo lamang tong Filipino group. Okay, they have 42.8 dito sa rebounding, and kitang-kita mo na both teams, they play as a group. Kita yung assist nila mataas.
Yes, and that is why we are so excited for the semifinals of our 17 under para malaman natin kung sino ang tutungo sa finals. Coming up next, it is the battle of itong PhilHoops Canada Central going up against UBL San Felipe Neri. And now let's turn it over to Ram Valid for the starters of this match.
Good afternoon, SLA's fans. Mabuhay. We are coming to you live inside the Brancigaw Convention Center, San Bernardo City, Pampanga, Philippines. Welcome to the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, presented to you by SLA, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and Royce Hotel and Casino. We're also live at the Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. This is our third game for the day 4 of the competition. It's your PhilHoops Canada Central and UBL San Felipe Neri. And now let's meet the starting lineup of the protagonists. First, for your PhilHoops Canada Central. Starting at guard number 8, Jericho Alfonso. Also at guard number 17, Gab Lopez. And forward number 7, Adrian Hernandez. Also forward number 22, Nathan Sindaraja. And center number 0, Chase Dimondal. Head coach for PhilHoops Canada Central is Mikey Dosado, assisted by Lawrence Rabino. Your PhilHoops Canada Central. And now let's meet the starters for your UBL San Felipe Neri. At guard number 11, Sean Cervero. Shooting guard number 9, Jose Gonzalez. Forward number 8, Jared Cruz. Small forward number 22, Eman Lezava. And center number 21, CJ Satparov. UBL San Felipe Neri is led by Coach Alan Salanzon. Assistant coaches, Hiner Lahoy, Paolo Dulumen, Adrian Garcia, John Rivera, and Ferdinand Madrigal. Your UBL San Felipe Neri. Game officials charged in action, Anthony Roque, John Banayad, and Jazz Bonas.
And taking a look at the starters for PhilHoops basketball, you have Alfonso Lopez, Sundararaja, Hernandez, and Demandal manning the center slot para sa UBL San Felipe. It's Gonzalez, Severo, Lesaba Cruz, and Satparam para naman sa koponan ni Coach Alan Salangsang. Our officials are Anthony Roque, Jess Boras, and Jong Banayat. Alvin Tanyada together with Coach Ernest Alao and Daphne Lozano manning the sidelines. And ito na, Coach Ernest, the start of the semifinals of our 17 under. First shot agad, pasok agad yan para dito sa UBL, courtesy of Sean Cervero. At kagad, delay of the game agad to start the ball game.
Pero good recognition doon kay Sean. Coach Alvin, kita niya, nag-drop down yung dalawang defender, so he opted to go for a pull-up.
Yes, and itong last 4 games natin of this day, of Saturday, puro semifinals na to. Because again, all our games, the finals of the 15 under and the 23 under have been set already.
Yeah, so we can see, scouted na tong, wow, good shot.
Yes, tama nga sabi mo, scouted na nga sila. Nascab Lopez scoring there. And at least maganda yung shooting ng pares sa koponan to start of the ballgame. Jumper here, no good. Rebounded Severo with the ball. Balik na naman dito. Lesaba, the 3. That is short. Canada now. Phil Hoops, Canada.
Yeah, but again, Coach Alvin, we can see, sobrang scouted na tong si Nathan Sundararaja.
Yeah, Sundararaja, yes.
Yeah, Sundararaja. Talagang hindi siya pinagbibigay ng bola dito. They're doing a box one na dito.
But Alfonso getting the basket there. So, nakikita natin it's like a 1-2-2 defense. May yung dalawa naka-box and then yung isang manlalaro talagang hinahabol ang hinahabol. Here comes the guys in blue. Gonzalez, that's a travel.
And that's the special thing. And let's see muna.
This lakas move of the quarter hatid sa inyo ng Cable Lake and Holdings Corporation. As Alfonso scoring there. At alam mo, Coach Ernest, pinag-uusapan namin to si Jericho Alfonso. Ano kaya ito ni Coach Coach Pancho?
Coach Pancho.
Alfonso.
Ang galing niyan, Coach Alvin.
Yan, siya yung pinaka-stable na point guard nila dito, no?
Yes,
itong si Jericho Alfonso. And he needs to be that consistent point guard. Dito. They go to the left side, a quick jumper, quick trigger, no good. The pass here. Gonzalez, nalabas dito. Cervero hitting the jumper there.
Yes, good job on Sean Cervero. Being very consistent doon sa floaters, pull-ups niya.
Ito ngayon, Alfonso the 3. That is short. Ito ngayon, going to the corner, right side 3. There's a foul. And he will shoot 2 here, Coach.
Yeah, Eman Lesaba still has an opportunity na ipasa pa for an extra pass. Baka mas na libre pa yung nasa middle. Pero kung feel mo, pukol mo, di ba, Coach Alv?
Oo, tama. And first one is good. Lesaba. Second one is good. And ito clear natin it's Sean Severo. Yung yan ang pangalan nito nung number 11 ng UBL. And Sundararaja, hinabol dito ni Gonzalez. Coach Alan Salang says, pwedeng pumwesto dito sa kabila, sa kanan, di ba? Para mahabol mo itong si Sundararaja.
Yes.
Who is their main man here for the squad of Phil Hoops Canada. The pass to the right side, wide open. Sabi na Jong Banayat, stepping daw. Pero that's a miss there. They go down once again. Talking about the guys in blue. Sean Severo. Pass to Lesaba. Lesaba moves in. And the score there para dito kay Eman Lesaba.
Yeah, great play. Coming from this guy. Kala ng defender sa right-handed layup pero nag-switch siya going to the left.
Ito, depensa ni Severo, and that's a foul there on Sean Severo. Let's take a look at this lakas move of the quarter. At sa inyo ng Cabling E-Holdings Corporation.
Yeah, and that's a great example on why kids, ang mga nagsisimula pa lang mag-basketball, should really learn kung paano lumay-up ng left and right. Kasi
Yes.
you'll have that opportunity na mako-contest ka talaga ng maganda, so you have to switch your hands.
Yes, and syempre coach, alam na alam mo yan dahil you have been handling Leaf Basketball PH, which teaches young and up-and-coming stars. What a shot there mula dito kay Jose Gonzalez. Jose Gonzalez there with a layup.
Great defensive schemes, Coach Alvin. Tinatop lock nila itong si Nathan, enabling him to create his own plays. Kasi I was able to cover him last night. And kailangan kunin niya muna yung bola, make play for himself, for his teammates. Pero this time, tinatop lock siya, not being able to do that.
All right, now 2 shots here. Bibigay dito kay Chase Dimandal. And now let's turn it over now to our Dora the Explorer herself, Daphne Lozano, with this report.
The game is just gonna get tougher and tougher. Those are the words of Phil Hoops Canada Central head coach Anthony Alfonso. He also added that his boys must stick to their plan, which is solidifying their defense against their opponent. Knowing that these two teams are both running guns, where speed and accuracy is in play, let's see if Phil Hoops Canada Central will be able to go full speed towards the win. Back to you, Coach Ernest and Alvin.
Thank you very much, Daphne, on that report. Yes, yun yung gustong mangyari nitong Canada. Coach, na go ahead, let's go straight, go kung ano yung makuha natin dito kasi this, yung standing mo, wala na yan. Tapos na yan, nakapasok ka na ng semifinals. And now the question is, just one game na kailangan nilang trabahuin for you to enter the finals tomorrow.
And very important aspect sa basketball, Coach Alvin, na pero dun sinabi mo, eliminations, if you did well, fine. Kailangan pag semis, focus na ulit, change your tactics, and prepare for your matchup.
Ito, tactic ngayon itong Canada. Hinahayaan. Kumbaga, dinidepensa niyo si Nathan Sundararaja. So, sige, bigyan natin ng kumpiyansa yung iba mo mga teammates. And making a 3-pointer there is Jericho Alfonso.
Right, and this is the perfect opportunity for this guy, Jericho Alfonso, itong si Bautista, to step up their game. Kasi yung third guy nila, which is si Nathan, hindi makapag-create ng plays.
Yes. And look at that, sa backcourt pa lang, kumbaga, binabantayan na. Nice find there. No rebound, no good. Backcourt pa lang, Coach Ernest, hindi tinatao na itong si Nathan Sundararaja. But again, their other teammates stepping up in time for them as we head into this timeout. 12-8, our score.
Ako si Eljan Ilacaya sa team Zamboanga Isa from Zamboanga del Norte. Tutukan kami sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sunsport Basketball, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia. As we watch the world play, we are live here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. And the fans coming out to play here as ito, last shot, Dubai. These are the 17 under players that will be playing later on. And some of the fans still watching here. And again, Coach, ayoko man sabihin, Coach, pero, Coach, banggitin na natin yung mga maglalaban sa finals. 15 under has been set already. UBL Red Cubs versus Gilas Montreal. Yan po maglalaban bukas. And Pampanga Delta will be going up against Familia DC, SLA International sa 23 under. So buo na yung finals natin. Sorry, Coach, kailangan. Pero again, Nathan Sundararaja defended there. Kita mo yung bantay, nandun pa rin, no?
Yes.
And that's a foul there on Sean Severo. Pero Coach, I just would like to get your input here. It has been a good season, nonetheless, para sa koponan mo sa RC Ramos Construction. But what can you say overall of how your kids performed all throughout the tournament? And how big is this for their confidence going back to their respective schools?
Yeah, for sure, really well, Coach Alvin. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto namin eh. Just for them to enjoy, get the feel of going up against international teams, players, di ba? For sure, makakatulong, makakalaki ng confidence nila yan. Talagang yun yung sinasabi namin sa kanila. And yun yung sasabihin ko sa kanila mamaya sa meeting namin na i-take nila yung experience na to and move on. Tapos, again, be proud na umabot kami bilang third placer.
Yes, yun na nga eh. At least, if kung mayroon battle for third placer, yun talaga ang pwedeng mapuntahan nito. But again, our formats here is very much different. But again, hats off to your squad of RC Ramos Construction. And sigurado mas paghahandaan nyo pa, Coach, yung mga susunod pang tournament ninyo in the 15 under. Not just here in Sinag Ligasya, but in other tournaments as well.
Yes, we can confidently say na ang plano talaga ng RC Ramos for our team is to continue na itutuloy-tuloy na namin. That's our grassroots program. Habang tumatanda sila, we're going to the 17 under, 19 under, hanggang sa mag-workout na makaabot sila sa
And nakita mo yung free throw shooting, Coach, nitong si Kilian Taparan. The way he shoots the free throw, it's not the usual free throw shooting, Coach. Ang ginagawa niya, nasa may free throw line siya, magdi-dribble siya, alalagpas siya sa free throw line eh. Tapos ititira niya, babalik siya doon. It's not the usual one. Hopefully later, kapag nagkaroon ng chance na tumira ito si Kilian Taparan for dito, makuna natin na maigi yung kanyang free throw. Yung pag-apak niya eh.
And that is why you should top lock this guy. Nathan, very explosive, napaka-strong, napakagaling mag-absorb ng contact and still make those shots. Ganyan talaga ginagawa niya kahit kagabi pa.
And now Nathan Sundararaja will shoot two here. Nathan, the first one is good. And syempre gustong pabati ni Coach Alan Sanangsang, San Felipe Neri Catholic School, kasi ito yung ngayon team nila.
Yes.
Especially to Father Mark Munda, Father Paul Gungon, Dr. Henry Davalos, and Sir Ken Ferry. And syempre sa UBL Taytay coaches, Coach Paulo De Lumen, Coach Yolo Loyola, and Coach Jeremy Nuarin. Now they go inside. Taparan inside. And the big man scores, Kilian. That is another turnover there.
Yes, easy basketball, Coach Alvin. Na-recognize si Coach Alan na, lamang tayo sa size, lamang tayo sa bigat, doon tayo sa loob maglaro. Yan, let's see.
Let's take a look at this nice footwork for the big man, Kilian Taparan. Simple, no? As Cruz hits the jumper there.
Yeah, good recognition coming from this Jared Cruz. I know him, friend ko yan sa FB. Very talented kid from Antipolo.
At syempre, pag galing Antipolo talaga, mga magagaling yan. Tulad nito, si Cruz, tulad nung Moore Prince Alaw,
Amen.
yung tulad nung Ernest Alaw nung naglalaro sa JRU, di ba?
Yes.
Di ba?
Okay na silang dalawa na lang direct. Coach Alvin. Good stop.
Good stop there by ito ang kapalan ng UBL and the squad. Now they go back here. Cruz back to Kian Loreto. They go inside. Once again to Killian. And Killian lost the ball.
Yeah, maybe bad play coming from this guy. Kita niya, dahil nga he was able to make a shot earlier, nagko-collapse na sa kanya, dapat kinikick out niya na.
2 minutes remaining and we are back to that 10-minute quarter as we enter the semifinals kasi ng elimination nga. 8 minutes quarter tayo sa first 3 quarters and in that fourth quarter lang tayo nagta 10 minutes. Coach, on that kind of scenario, Coach, na di ba sanay tayo ng 10-minute quarter, dito biglang nag 8 minutes tayo. Parang hindi ba nakaka-pressure yun?
Yeah, nakaka-pressure talaga Coach Alvin kasi and let's see muna yung dominance neto ni Killian.
Let's this lakas move of the quarter natin sa inyo ng Cable Link Key Holdings Corp. And we have a timeout on the floor bago tumira ng bonus charity si Killian Taparan.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Don't forget to like and share our Facebook and Instagram page at Sinag Liga Asia. As we take a look at Field Hoops Basketball Canada Central. At sana mapagbigyan tayo dito ni Direk dahil titira ng 2 free throws. Bonus free throw ito si Killian Taparan. Let's try to see yung foot niya dito sa free throw line. And tingnan natin. Look at the way he takes the free throw. Ayun o. Yun ang sinasabi ko, Coach Ernest. Ayun o. Umapak. And then, di ba?
Yeah, isa lang yung naaalala ko dyan, Coach Alvin. Gio Halalon.
Yun.
Yes, that's how he, mas malayo pa nga kay Kuya Gio eh.
Yes. Kita mo yung free throw shooting niya na ganun. Parang, bihira yung may mga ganyan, di ba? May mga routine free throw, di ba? But again, it's different. Different players, different styles, di ba? And taking free throws.
Yeah, grabe. These guys in blue. Yung defensive scheme nila actually magulo pero it's working out for them eh. Talagang pag binakakuha ng bola, collapse.
They go to Ferrer now. Ferrer moves in. A minute left.
He can make that.
Cruz no good. And the ball lost here. Recovered here by the guys in red. Bautista. Nice move to the hole. Yung mga nung kabataan ni Coach Ernest, ganyan ang ginagawa niya.
Yes, so doon ako confident. Kaya, pero yung mga dunks, bala na si Murdian.
Ito, pwesto sa loob. Cruz wide open. Nice post-up yun ha. Nice post-up move here by Jared Cruz.
Yeah, this guy, very talented. I know this guy, he's been playing exceptional dun sa junior MPBL. Kaya kilala ko tong batang to.
And, kita mo, ang dami niya nilalaroan. And he's still very young, 17 years of age. Sipin mo noon, 17 years old ka, ano yung mga ginagawa mo, no, Coach? Ito, Killian Taparan inside and he will shoot 2.
Again, great recognition dito kay Kian Loreto. Finding the, we can confidently say, Coach Alvin, na mismatch, no? Mismatch talaga para dito kay Killian. So, why change when it's not broken, di ba?
Yes, Killian Taparan. Again, his way of free throws shooting. The first one is good. Is it somewhat like that yung paggawa niya na gano'n? Parang kumukuha siya ng puwersa. Kasi di ba minsan yung mga jump shooter, ganyan yun, kumukuha ng buwelo yan paabante. Di ba? The second free throw is no good, but Jared Cruz knows that the clock is not in their favor there as we end quarter number 1 as ito nga ang koponan ng UBL NCR San Felipe Neri have gotten their rhythms going, but again Canada, Phillips Canada Central trying their luck to get a comeback, but ito nga shooters ng UBL San Felipe Neri susubok para na makahabol led by Jared Cruz and company. We head to the break here at the end of quarter number 1, 21-12 our score.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Go big or go home. That is the battle cry of UVL San Felipe Neri coming into this match. Head coach Alan Salangsang said in his own words, maglaro lang kayo ng 100%. Iba na yung game ngayon. Yung 4-0 natin, pwedeng mawala lang pag natalo tayo. This team has been playing hard since elimination round. That's why let's see if consistency and intensive energy will lead them to victory. Back to you, Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Thank you very much, Daphne. Go big or go home. Tama naman yun kasi if you don't go big and win this ball game, go home na talaga sila.
Yes, yeah, Bautista, very efficient scorer talaga to, Coach Alvin. Tahimik lang. Actually, off the bench siya lagi every game.
And now, ito na, nasa loob na. Yung sharp shooter na si A3 Madrigal.
Wow!
Almost a nice pass.
Sayang!
Second violation. Nice find there by Jared Cruz. But talking about A3 Madrigal, who's now in the ball game, kung titingnan mo lang, Coach Ernest, siya, maliit lang siya. Pero the way he shoots the basketball, 6 of 11 shooting from 3-point distance, he is their designated shooter.
Yes.
And talk about shooter, Jericho Alfonso.
Great timing, Coach Alvin. And very good job dito kay Bautista, recognizing na libreng-libre siya dun sa corner.
Let's take a look at that pass once again. Shooter baka mo. Eto rin, may ikakasa rin. Ito si Jericho Alfonso as the lead has been cut down to 4. 21-17. Jericho Alfonso stepping up big here with 8 points already here in this ball game on 2 out of 3 shooting from 3-point distance. And ito nga si Jericho Alfonso. Again, the question stands. Kaano-ano kaya ito ni Coach Pancho?
Siguro ganyan din laruan ni Coach Pancho,
Oo,
no?
siguro ganun. And sigurado, si Coach Pancho, nandito lang yan sa loob ng venue. The wise man himself. But we have been up trying to get that answer all tournament long. Kaano-ano talaga. Kasi sabi ni Coach Pancho, may mga kamag-anak din naman siya sa Canada. So, is it somewhat like possibly long, kumbaga, malayong kamag-anak, di ba? Kasi sabi nga ni Coach Pancho, Coach Ernest, ganyan din daw siya nung kabataan niya. Shooter din daw. So there's a miss there. They go here. Nice pass inside. Oh, nice pass and find inside for CJ Satparam.
Yeah, but this guy, Sean Severo, really impressing us, Coach Alvin, no? Pag wala siyang tira, automatic, he will look dun sa interior nila, look for the open big man. Actually, dun nag-work for him. Good pass.
Sundararaja, double team, no? But jumper here, no good. Nathan Sundararaja only with 1 point here in this ball game. But again, the ample help from the likes of Alfonso, Bautista. They have been doing well here. As the lead has been cut down to 4 here. Severo, they go to their shooter. No good. Rebounded. And labas muna tayo. Severo, his own version of 3. No. And they go down the other way. Bautista. Bigay kay Alfonso. They go to Nathan. Nathan finally breaks free And he will shoot 2. Now, Coach Ernest, I'll ask you one more question here. As a scorer, let's take a look first at this last grab of the quarter natin sa inyo ng Fully Tech. And, okay, Coach. Now, if you are, no, I won't ask if you are. Since you are a scorer, like ito si Nathan Sundararaja, kapag ikaw ba dinidepensa ng ganyang kadikit, from backcourt to frontcourt ninyo, anong nasa mentalidad mo, Coach Ernest?
Yeah, actually, it depends on the coach then Coach Alvin eh. Pero during those times na may mga opportunity na nagaganon ako, isa lang yan, be the decoy na lang. You can set some screens dahil unang-una hindi naman aalis sa'yo yung defender mo. Be the decoy na lang talaga.
Yeah, and the coach's decision here, especially to si Coach Alan, pag andyan si Nathan Sundararaja sa loob, pwede punta tayo sa 1-2-2 zone defense or even the man-to-man. Diba? As a basket there, para dito kay...
Yeah,
so
that was a funny play dito, Coach Alvin. Kasi itong si Sean, pinapasa pa ulit-ulit dito kay Eman, and now we know the reason why. Efficient pala yung floater niyang yun.
Very much efficient tong left-handed floater nito ni Nesaba. And Nesaba with all 6 points already here in this ball game. And make that 8 points already here in the ball game as Nathan Sundararaja. Will this be the spark that he needs to score? But still no good for Nathan. And that's a foul to be called on
Chase, yeah, Demandal.
No, it's Eman Nesaba called there for the foul.
All right, but good effort dito kay Shane, Coach Alvin, not giving up on the play. Kasi kita niya medyo out of balance itong layup or drive ni Nathan eh.
And now, babalik sa loob si Killian Taparan, babalitan si Ferrer. Handa. Dimandal will shoot 2 free throws. The first one trickles in. Second free throw. After this ball game, it's going to be Pampanga Pradera, number 1 in bracket A, contra Lashat Dubai, number 2 in bracket B. Here in your 17 under. They go inside. Killian. Taparan, no good. Taparan one more time, wala pa rin. And Killian is very much frustrated na hindi nakukuha yung mga inside baskets na yan. 6 minutes remaining here in the second. 4-point lead still for UBL. We go to the left side. Nathan. Now the defense is at 2-3 zone defense. But still too strong yung pag-drive there.
Yes, you can blame him, Coach Alvin. That's his game. He will be the decoy. He will drive pag nag-collapse sa kanya. Ang talino, kumat or mag-banana cut netong nila Chase and yung mga ibang bigs nila like Lopez, sila Valdez. They are good.
Severo. They go inside and that's a traveling violation call there.
Yeah, great call.
Five minutes and 28 remaining. And the shot there, wala pa rin para kay Dimandal. They go to Cruz. Cruz for 3. No good for Jared.
Great save.
Great save. Kasi hindi naman tumama sa top eh. Kaya tumuloy pa rin yun. Gonzalez now. The pass. Cruz, his own version of a 3. Still no good. Rebounded by Nathan. Nathan Sundararaja. Natapikan doon. But still the clock is moving. Itawid nila. Ronquillo 3. That's money. And now the lead is down to 1. Subok din ng tres. Wala. Now Canada has a chance to take the lead. And remember, Coach Ernest, yung message nito ni Coach Alan, go big or go home.
Yes, and we can see right now, and let's see muna.
Let's take a look at this replay. Once again, this lakas play of the quarter hatid sa inyong J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Ligasha. Right, Coach?
Yes, we can see, for now, Coach Alvin, nakikita natin yung momentum going towards the guys in red, no? Yung Canada na.
Ayan nga, naghanap ngayon sila ng chance dito. Hernandez, good defense there by Ferrer.
Foul.
No whistle. You have to go running back as Gonzalez scores inside.
Fearless drive by this little kid, no? Gonzalez, no fear whatsoever. Parang si CJ Delfino lang, eh, no?
Oh, let's take a look at this lakas drive of the quarter. Atin sa inyo na CD of Woodspear. Who that brings you home. At ito, dumaan na dito sa harap natin. Siyempre, Coach Alan Trinidad. 3 minutes and 55 remaining here. Nathan Sundararaja. The pass to Valdez. Valdez the pull-up. That is short. Rebounded here. Severo. The pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, a hard drive to the basket for Jose Conrado or JC Gonzalez that they want to call him.
Yeah, but the credit dapat dito kay Sean Severo, eh.
Uy, ang ganda ng pasa niya sa ilalim. Hindi lang na-contribute.
Yes.
Hindi lang na-execute actually. And Severo says, let's sit, settle it down. But Ferrer says, let me take a three, no good. Alfonso. Bringing to Sundararaja. Defense is there. Uy!
Miscommunication.
Kanino mo ibibigay yung bola doon? At
Wow!
Ferrer scores. And you take a look at dito si Coach Anthony Alfonso. Sabi ni Coach Anthony, where are you passing that ball?
Yes, and good recognition from this guy, Nino Ferrer. Kita niya yung momentum ni Nathan going towards the baseline, eh. So easy. Foul.
Oh, foul there. On Gonzalez.
Yeah, yan yung mga misconception when defending.
Jared Cruz there with the foul. Let's take a look at this drive by Ferrer. Scoring there.
Yeah, nice Euro avoiding itong agaw ni Nathan. Great move.
Substitution. Euro step yun. Hindi yun yung bago, no? Yung Pinoy step. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Pass to Nathan. Nathan Sundararaja, the attack, and the first real goal. Finally for Nathan Sundararaja.
Yeah, that's what happens when you're giving the ball to this guy, Nathan.
They go back to the post pero natapikan. Substitution here for Team Canada. Pascual will check back in. Zoran Pascual. Let's take a look at this play once again. Nathan Sundararaja. Yung last move of the quarter na yan natin sa inyo ng Cable Link E-Holdings Corporation. Pascual. The pass to Nathan here. Nathan says, give me space. Gusto niyang sayawan si Severo pero na-pick up niya yung bola. That's a turnover, 2 minutes remaining here. And the second quarter. Tapikan Nathan Sundararaja. To Di Maandal. No, Valdez there for the recovery.
Yeah, great drive, but still better effort dito kay Valdez, not giving up on the play, looking for that putback.
Taparan, no good. Rebounded by the guys in red. Looking to cut the lead to 1 or even tie it with a 3. Sundararaja, the pass inside. Di Maandal.
Nice!
Basket. Lost a foul.
Again, Nathan Sundararaja being the key para makapag-set sila ng magandang play dito, Coach Alvin. And let's see.
Ay, Decoy, being the
Yes.
Decoy. Taking a look at that lakas moment of the quarter. At sa inyo ng Converge. Dahil sa Converge, doble na. Dinoble pa. At ito, sabi ko kanina, they have a chance to at least cut the lead to 1 or tie it with a 3. Ito, sinubukan niya, but again, missing that free throw. Is that somewhat like a jinx? Ginawa na.
Sinabi mo kasi, Coach Alvin eh.
Wala kasi akong magic. Yung alam mo yung magic voice na katulad ng ginawa mo nung nasa Bacolor tayo. As Dimandal gets the rebound. And almost and completed steal here. 45 seconds remaining. Severo binigay dito kay Ferrer. The 3, no good. Rebound recovered here. Severo gets the ball. Ferrer, the pass to the left side. The jumper, no good para dito kay dito sa manlalaro ng UBL. Si Satparam. Sundararaja. Open basketball, another find to Dimandal Valdez.
Wow! Again, this guy, Nathan Sundararaja, setting place for his teammates.
Yes, isipin mo yun ha. Papasa ni Sundararaja, papasa niya doon sa
kay Chase.
Kay Chase. Pag nagmintes, the weak side, nandun lagi si Valdez. And that is his second time na nakakuha siya ng ganong stick back.
Oh, and that's not good if you're rooting for these guys in blue na UBL San Felipe. Kasi unang-una, they're not prioritizing yung box out, Coach Alvin. Eh. Kaya ganyan nangyayari. Despite of him, alam mo yun, kahit medyo payat itong si Valdez, andun yung athleticism eh.
And now, Canada, Philips basketball, Canada is on top now by 2. Gonzalez. And a shot, tying it up is Veneros. As we end our second quarter. And
yes, very timely make para dito kay Ferrer. Yan, let's see yung mga effort nila dito, Coach Alvin.
It has been the Canada Central Show. And grabe yung naging performance nila dito. Outscoring itong kupunan ng UBL 20-11 in that second quarter. That is why at the end of 2 quarters of play, we are tied at 33-33 as we will be coming back for the halftime interviews and the halftime stats and our third quarter of action.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
What is up mga kasinag? Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asia at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Subic to meet and get a chance to talk to some very important people para sa future ng Sinag Liga Asia and also to get to witness the graduation ng Senior High School Department ng Lyceum Subic Port. As we all know, ang Lyceum Subic Port po ay parte ng Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase and also they're a big part sa ating future. Kaya tara na po and let's see what's in store for Sinag Liga Asia.
We're excited, and I would like to invite all, especially the towns we have 12 towns in Zambales, and there's a lot more. And we are very, very proud to tell you that we are joining a very good league, and we have a very, very good platform. So, antayin nyo kami, and we will join.
Yan na po mga kasinag. You heard it first from Attorney Alfonso Burda ng Lyceum Subic Port na ang Lyceum Sharks Subic Port ay handang-handa na po para sa SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga. Pero hindi lang po yun ang kanya sinabi kanina. Meron nga po silang nilulutong something special for all the colleges, universities, and high schools para dito sa Norte. And syempre, very, very soon po mga kasinag, meron din po tayong diyang niluluto sa South Region naman po ng Luzon. Kaya po mga kasinag, tutok lang po. Especially napakalapit na po ng ating SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga po yan. Once again, ako po, si Enzo Galarosa ng Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
Oh! Yan na naman siya. Kalma lang tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Good afternoon mga kasinag, and you're still tuned in to SLA Junior World Showcase. And before we proceed to our second half, beside me are two very important men from both teams. But first, on my left side is Sir Ken Perry, the sports coordinator of UBL NCR San Felipe Neri. Hello po sir, good afternoon po. So as a sports coordinator, how do you feel that your boys are now at the semifinals?
Ayan, sabi nga kagabi, masayang-masaya yung mga bata nung nanalo kami at nag-number 1 kami sa bracket namin. And we pray and we hope na hindi pa kami umuwi ngayon. Kami ang pumasok sa championship. Ayan po. Thank you.
And sir, and now I'm giving you the opportunity po kung may gusto po kayong batiin at pasalamatan.
Yes po. Maraming salamat po sa UBL, kay Coach Alan at sa mga coaches na kasama namin. Kay Coach Tan, Coach Paulo, Coach Garcia, Coach Henner. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And also to San Felipe Neri Catholic School, kay Father Paul, kay Father Mark Munda, kay Dr. Henry Dabalos, kay Miss Sally, Miss Rica, Sir Arbin, and sa sponsor namin ng jersey, Graphic Street Sportswear. At then also, shoutout doon sa asawa ko, kay Cathy. Yan, thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Sir Ken. And now, on my right side is the team owner of Phil Hoops Canada Central, Sir Rod Garcia. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. And thank you for gracing your time here for the half. So, as a team owner, what can you say in the way the boys are playing now, especially that they were able to catch up into the lead?
It's all about defense. Maganda yung defense na pinapakita nila. They're so composed, hindi na-distract. Tsaka yung coach, siyempre, si Coach Anthony Alfonso, he's doing a good job na i-rotate yung mga players namin.
And sir, I'm giving you the opportunity to greet and thank anyone that you like po.
Sorry, I didn't, ano yan?
Greetings and
greetings sa mga organizer na itong SLA. You guys are doing a good job. For sure, we'll be back next year. Sa mga Canada, mga Canadians, thank you for watching and supporting us. Sa mga magulang, thank you too. And shout out to Mike Cruz, Crossover Canada, Bayan Basketball, undefeated, 24mm. And that's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Once again, that is Sir Ken Perry and Sir Rod Garcia. Back to you, Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Thank you very much, Daphne. Again, our score at the half, it's 33-33 upon the entry of the third quarter. Puro 3 yun na, Coach Ernest. But let's take a look at some of the stats right now, Coach Ernest, and also the highlights in that quarter. Nakikita natin, it's a tale of two different quarters, Coach Ernest. First quarter, 21-12 in favor of UBL. Then the second quarter, nabaliktad. Ito naman koponan ng Phil Hoops Basketball ng Canada Central, 21-12. Kaya tabla tayo sa 33-33.
Yes, tulad ng sinabi mo, Coach Alvin, no, puro 3. So, totoo yun, puro 3 points. We can see na even though itong Canada just shooting 8, they made 3. So 3/8, they have 37.5% percentage. Habang itong UBL naman, grabe, 0/16.
Masakit yun.
Coach Alvin, they really are trying to get that opportunity na makashoot sa 3 points. We can see sa rebounding talaga nagkakatalo. Close naman. Pero makikita natin sa points in the paint, itong UBL lamang sila with 22, habang itong Canada naman, they have 16. Pero again, sa rebounding aspect na naman, second chance points dahil sa pinakitang maganda na effort nila Valdez at nila Chase. They have 10, habang itong UBL naman, despite of them being tall and strong and big, they only have 2.
At ang pambawi dito naman ng UBL, yung fast break nila, 12-3. Kaya nga, tabla tayo. As we take a look at the leading scorers, it's Alfonso Di Maantal, Bautista and Valdez leading the way here with 8, 7, 5, and 5, while Lesapa Gonzalez leading the way with 8 and 7 respectively para dito sa UBL as we start the third quarter of action here mula po dito sa loob ng Bren Z Giao Convention Center. Again, once again, Alvin Tañana together with his Royal Ernest himself, Coach Ernest Alaw, na very much, umaga, pangatlong laro na to ni Coach Ernest dito po sa Bren Z Giao today. Ayoko nang paggitin kung ano nangyari ng first game, pero second game and third game, it was, it's now a very nice experience for you, Coach Ernest. Kasi usually tayo, ang ginagawa natin, Coach Ernest, sa mga laro natin, it is somewhat like, kung titingnan mo, Coach Ernest, in the usual games, ang kina-cover natin, usually 2 laro lang, hanggang 3 laro lang. Pero dito, Coach Ernest, nagliliman laro tayo. And inaabot pa nga tayo ng madaling araw. Yes, there was yung game natin sa Bacolor wherein we ended that at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, 1:20.
Yung game natin sa Bacolor.
Grabe yun.
Pero ika nga, sabi nga ni Direk Billy De Leon, sabi niya sa atin nun, kaya pa raw niya kahit maglimang laro pa raw na ganun noong araw na. Pero tayo na mismo ang sumuko, mahinga naman tayo.
Yes. Pero, so, from what we are seeing, Coach Alvin, nag-work itong switch all defensive scheme na man-to-man defense ng, San Felipe. Maganda yung naging plano ni Coach Alan para mag-work itong defense nila. Great stop.
Nice stop there. Takbo tayo dito sa kabila. Gonzalez. The pass here. The jumper. And in and out here. And Canada says, let's settle it down. Alfonso. Again, no Sundararaja at the leading scorers with only 3 points. But again, his playmaking abilities, hindi man pumapasok yung tira, pero teka lang, nakahuli yung tira na yun. Pero nakita mo yung playmaking ability ni Sundararaja, Coach Ernest. Kahit magmintis yung kakampi, yun nga, second serving, second chance points. And right now, still 2-point lead here. Very close one here, Coach Ernest. Taparan. Tresney Ferrer, that's short.
Kanina niya pa tinatry yan, Coach Alvin. The reason kung ba't madami yung attempts nila sa 3 points is because of this guy, Nino Ferrer. Feeling ko naman andun talaga yung shooting niya eh, but this time it's really not working for him.
8 minutes and 22 remaining here in the third. No good in the shot. And the driver, Nathan. The pass, Di Maandal. The shot is good.
Wow.
That's only a 2-pointer.
Chase being ready on that corner, and he should expect na pag si Nathan na nagbababa, he will pass that ball. Great effort. Great job.
The pass to the corner there. Goes to the right, left side, inside. Inside, Killian, no good. And still no good. They go run the other way. Lopez, inside, and
nice.
What a shot there. Good footwork, hindi gumalaw. Pagkangat, tingnan natin ulit to.
Let's see, great footwork.
Footwork niya, angat. And lakas move of the corner na yan. Natin sa inyo ng Cable Lake E-Holdings Corporation. Sabi ni Severo, traveling daw, pero hindi naman lift yung pivot.
Yes, great patience. Waiting for the guy to jump, drawing the contact, making the shot. Love the focus.
Substitution here. Coach Allen sa langsang not happy. Kaya kinausap ka agad si Reyes. They go to the left side. Balik dito. Lesaba has the ball. To the right. Gonzalez. Natapikan dito. Nathan Sundararaja. Sundararaja. The shot. No good still. Another second serving.
Wow,
third
these guys, man.
Wow. Kita mo yun, hindi mo makuha sa pangalawa ko third times a charm. Severo. And that's a very short shot. The shot clock did not flick there as a 2 seconds remaining. Pero ito, natapikan na naman. Nathan, the pass, Di Maandal, all the way for the score.
Total meltdown coming from the guys in blue, San Felipe. And this guys in red, itong Canada, making sure to take advantage dun.
And we take a look at that nice find there. Di Maandal says, let's go. And they take a basket as Canada right now is on top by 7, 42-35.
Gear Bautista playing from SLA International. Watch us play SLA Juniors.
We would like to thank Ceylon Tires for their all-out support dito po sa Sinag Liga Asia. Ano sinasabi mo, Coach Pancho? Ano sabi mo?
Last time na magkatrabaho, kami Coach Air, OT tayo.
The wise man, Coach Pancho, is in the house here. He will be covering later on. And as we would like to also thank Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good. Ooh! Continuous complaining called a technical on Assistant Coach Paulo De Lumen. And even Coach Alan Salangsan says, ano yung tawag? Yun yung gusto niya i-clear, di ba? Kasi I think it's because si Coach Alan was at the bench already. Bilang isang head coach, di ba, Coach? Tayong dalawa, we're sitting down, talking to our boys, and our assistant coaches are the ones sometimes talking to for clarification sa mga referees. Ang di lang siguro maintindihan ni Coach Alan, ano ba nangyari? Teka lang, pagtayo ko, tinawagan mo kagad ng technical. So, yun yung kiniklear niya doon. But again, kumbaga minsan simple words of your assistant coaches, iba eh. Severo, the crowd here inside the Brencigliao Convention Center starting to explode here for the guys in red. Tapik dito, Nathan Sundararaja. At humihingi si Coach Anthony Alfonso ng unsportsmanlike foul. Pero hindi meron ng kasabay no?
The beauty of the defense ng Canada side. Kasi kahit palipad pa lang yung bola, nasa ere pa lang coming from a pass, nagkikilusan na sila eh. So hindi maka-blow by yung yung San Felipe.
Yes, and 5 minutes and 50 remaining here. Jumper. And almost. Alam mo yung lahat talaga ng itira ngayon itong Canada, no? Ng Phillips Canada Central. Alam mo yung pwedeng pumasok no?
Yes.
Anytime. Yung kumpiyansa nila tumaas na. Talking about this team from Canada. And the ball will go out. But again, 2.7 seconds remaining here. Nesba now will be inbounding here. Oh, ganda naman nun.
Yeah, great play. Great opportunity dun sa pasa sa painted. And great effort dito. Kay, again, Sean Severo. Really not giving up.
And there's a foul there. Fourth personal foul now on Lesaba.
Now if you're Coach Alan Salangsang, that's not nice to see, Coach Alvin. Kasi unang-una, si Eman Lesaba, we can see na siya talaga yung focus ng play netong UBL San Felipe. And with him having his fourth foul, mababa yung playing time niya.
Yes, you are right there. Lopez, the pass to Alfonso, the three. No good. We go down the other way. The pass to Ferrer. Inangat yung bola. Three ball by Jared Cruz. Money! The three! And a possible 4-point play.
Perfect opportunity for this guy, Jared Cruz, being ready for that kick out. Special player, Coach eh.
Tignan natin. Oops.
Good fake.
That lakas shot of the corner. It's in the Studio Food Fair. Food that brings you home. Kita mo yung pagkuha niyo ng bola, fake pass, open ako, titira ko to.
Yeah, again, special player. He can play the 3 and 4. He can shoot, he can drive, might post up like what we saw a while ago.
Alam mo parang parang si Boss Ray Alaw lang yan nung panahon niya. No? Ganun lang maglaro yan eh.
Oo,
simple.
lalo na sa poste.
Ito ngayon, Bautista. His own version of a 3, no good. The lead is at 1 for Canada. But they lost the ball there. Pascual now, orchestrating the plays. The pass here to the right side. Alfonso on the left. Setting it up here. Pascual. Alfonso, the drive. Rebounded here by the guys in blue. Cruz, binalik dito kay Severo.
Good find.
Cruz, nice pass. Ando na yung depensa sa kanya, binigay niya sa kanan. And that's a miss there by Loreto. And they go the fast break. Nice fake inside. Walang foul yun.
Yan na naman.
Pero look at that. The weak side.
Yes.
Yun yung weak side rebounding. Andun lagi. Valdez, another rebound and another basket. 7.6 rebounds now for the lanky big man. Itong si Valdez. Tres dito, no good. Rebound recovered by Pascual. Bautista. We go to Pascual now. Dimandal, no good. He gets his own miss. And a foul. And ito. See. Chase Dimandal has now gotten 11 points and grabbed 9 rebounds. A double, almost a double-double right now for this guy, Chase Dimandal. Make that 12 points now for Chase Dimandal.
Yeah, yan talaga yung magugustuhan ng mga scouting coach eh. Yung someone who's really hardworking, doesn't get faced na tambak kami, lamang na lamang yung kalaban, continues to work lang. Yan yung maganda for this guy, Chase.
13 points now for Chase. He has been some
bad play.
Alam mo, si Chase Dimandal has been turning out to be someone special for this ball game. With Nathan Sundararaja only with 3 points. As Nathan Sundararaja is averaging 14 points a ball game here in the tournament. And sabi mo nga, Nathan Sundararaja has been turning out to be the perfect decoy.
Great pass.
Almost there for Valdez. The pass to the right side. Ferrer for three.
Bang! Finally, for this guy, Nino Ferrer. Ilang beses niya tinake yan, Coach Alvin. Let's see.
Yes, Ferrer. That is 0 of 6 before that 3. Now he's 1 of 7. Alam mo, may isa akong manlalaro na naalala na, sige, meron kang green pass. Ika nga. To take that 3-point shot. Kahit magmintis ka, go. And that is Kevin Ferrer. Kapilido pa niya.
Yes.
Ganyan yan. Ito pa na naman.
Yan na naman.
Bang!
Sabi sa'yo Coach may shooting yung bata. Hindi niya lang makuha talaga.
Ferrer now, UBL takes a 1-point lead. Pascual, the perimeter shot. No good. Rebounded by the guys in blue. That ball will go back to the guys in red.
Yeah, medyo bad decision making dito. Let's see muna yung napakagandang 3 points.
Oo, yan. Lakas press of the quarter na yan natin sa inyo ng Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Ligasya. Back-to-back tres yan mula dito kay Nino Rafael Ferrer. Jared Cruz naman susubok. No good. Valdez gets the rebound. And penalty situation itong UBL. And teka lang.
CJ sa bottom, that's Spurs penalty. Technical foul, number 21, CJ sa bottom for continuous play.
Sat Param natatawagan din ng technical. So, double black eye. Para dito, let's take a look at this one. That rebound. Valdez gets the ball at tinawagan ng foul. And take a look at that. Oh, nagreklamo pa eh. Oh, at tinawagan ng technical yan. So, technical free throw here as pumasok ang technical free throw na yan ni Adrian Hernandez.
Nakakaramdam ako, Coach Alvin.
Alam mo, bakit ganun? Pag ang magkakapartner, Coach Ernest Alaw, Alvin Danyada, tapos ang kasama natin, Derek Billy, bakit ganun?
Sobrang close.
Pero si Derek Billy dito, parang napapahiling na lang. parang, Coach Ernest, parang mamaya mo na sabihin mo na kasi malayo pa naman.
Yes.
Pero, Severo now. Gives it up to Ferrer. The three. The shooter. No good.
Clear foul.
Kita mo, sinusubukan nito ni Madrigal. Kaya na makakuha na kanya 3-point shooting. Because Madrigal has only played less dito sa laro natin. 2 minutes 30 pa lang nilalaro niya dito. And now, labas ulit si Madrigal. Kapasok-pasok pa lang yan. Severo inside, foul there. And he will shoot 2.
Yeah, same play a while ago. Yung line nila, the big man will seal. Tapos yung corner guy, shooter si Ferrer. Tapos lalabas yung isa sa nail. Then slip. Itong si Sean.
First free throw is a miss there.
And this is the perfect opportunity na maglaro naman sa loob itong UBL San Felipe, Coach Alvin. Kasi we can see itong 1-2-2 or 2-3 ng Canada, medyo tumaas na eh. Dahil natakot na sila dito kay Nino eh.
Oo. Now Bautista gets the ball. Back to Bautista. To the left side, Hernandez, the 3.
Wow!
Money 3!
That's because of Bautista acting like he was going right. Tingin sa kanan, then ibabalik nila pala dito for Hernandez. Great play.
Yes. Dahil nga naman, kumbaga, binabantayan nila maigi yung mga big man nila. As Ferrer misses a 3 there. Binabantayan na nila yung big man nila na open na yung shooters nitong Canada. That's a 3 ball, no good. Still. And for dito sa UBL, 3-point shooting nila, 3 out of 28. A very dismal shooting percentage. Bautista gets the ball. 4 seconds remaining. Does he know it? Bautista. No. And Valdez, siya na naman na nakakuha na rebound. Kaya lang pinulang ng oras. As we end 3 quarters of action-packed basketball, we take a look at some of the highlights here. Nathan Sundararaja finding Chase Di Maandal there at the corner for the 3. But again, these guys in blue of UBL sumusubok na makahabol pa dito. Pero yung mga 3-point shooting nitong Canada are hitting their strides here. Pero syempre, may pambawi. Itong sila, itong mga manlalaro ng UBL na sila Cruz at si Ferreira as they are down here by 4, 52-48. We'll need 10 more minutes of basketball to know who will enter the 17-under finals.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
So we are back dito po sa loob ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center for our 17 under semifinals matchup. Alvin Tagala together with Coach Ernest Alao. And the last time that me and Coach Ernest Alao worked a game, we ended at 1:30 in the morning.
Yes. Great find!
Nathan Sundararaja and out.
Medyo nagulat si Nathan doon, no?
Na-open siya, no?
Na-open siya.
The pass here. Lesaba the 3. No. Dumandal with the rebound and that will go out.
Again, that line play, sobrang efficient nila niraran yan. Let's see kung mag-work ulit. Foul.
Alfonso there called for the foul.
Great recognition coming from Coach Alan. Nakita niya, dinedepensa na yung loob. So, opted to go for this guy, Nino Ferrer.
Severo now. Balik kay Severo.
Yan na.
The shot there and Ferrer mas lumapit dito.
Mag-i-struggle ka talaga if you're defending Ferrer, Coach Alvin. Kasi
Oo.
ang laking mama pero napaka-agile at shooter.
Ferrer now will be shooting 2 here. First one is good for Ferrer. Second free throw for Ferrer. Setting it up now. Alfonso bringing it down. Balik kay Alfonso. They go to the right side. Nice, the jumper with a three-pointer earlier. No good. 52-50 our score. The drive. The pass to Ferrer. Goes back. Cruz the 3. No good. And extra passing here. Kilian Taparan. There's a foul.
Yeah, good find dito para kay Jared Cruz. Nakita niya, libre na siya pero mas open pa dito. Itong si Kilian.
And Alagon will check out. Papasok ulit dito sa laro. Itong si Pascual. 2 free throws will be given to Kilian Taparan. First one is no good. Second one here for Taparan. Still no good for Kilian. That will not help for UBL.
Yes, based on the stats, Coach Alvin, itong guys in blue, yung UBL San Felipe, struggling talaga sa free throw.
Let's double check on the free throws right now of UBL. Tingnan mo yun, free throw shooting. That is 9 out of 18 na yan. Yung free throw shooting na yan for UBL. And that's no good there. And 2 free throws here for Gonzalez. And right now, tabla na naman tayo dito, Coach Ernest. Alfonso, no good. And that will go out. Ferrer. No good. Rebounded by Killian. Killian Taparan inside. Muscling his way for the score.
Yeah, smart play on Jared Cruz. Realizing na pwede naman dito kay Killian, and Killian being ready for that bump and for that play inside.
And right now, there's a foul there. Called on number 25, Killian Taparan.
Yeah, as we can see right now, Coach Alvin, medyo napahinga, medyo tumamlay yung game. No one's getting their runs.
At ito, Coach Ernest, sino ba ang point guard itong UBL? Di ba si Severo?
Yes.
Okay. Coach, ito nakita ko lang ngayon sa stats. This will surprise you. Severo is the smallest guy on the floor.
Oo, and the fastest.
Okay ha? And the fastest. And taking a look, his numbers on the floor. He has 7 points, 6 assists, and 11 rebounds.
Wow.
11 rebounds for the smallest guy on the floor. Wow, those are kind of numbers na makikita mo sa big man, yung 11 rebounds.
Yes.
Pero point guard yan, 11 rebounds. Three-pointer on the way. Taparan with the rebound. Cruz out 3. Jared no good. Rebounded by Dimandal. That is rebound number 10. Pascual. Moving in. The pass to Valdez. Natapikan doon. Dimandal. A steal and the basket. For Chase Dimandal.
This guy really doing everything for his team to win.
At lamang na naman dito ang UBL ng isa. Almost a steal there. Ferrer, pumasa na naman ng 3. Wala. And Taparan, another rebound. Killian lost the ball. And Coach Alan Salansang talking to Ferrer. Ipasok mo, i-drive mo, wag kang tres ng tres.
Yes, and that's normal for Coach Alan kasi kita niya he's a big man himself. During his playing years, kita niya kung kailan, alam mo yun, Coach Alvin, kung kailan kay lamang sa loob, kung kailan kailangan niya tumira ng tres. And right now, dahil nga napapatrabaho, etong sila Chase, sila Valdez, sila Hernandez, umiiwas yan sa fatigue. So, atakihin yun ang atakihin. Yun yung tinatry sabihin ni Coach Alan.
Missing that free throw. Look at that. Who got the ball once again? Dimandal. Ang sipag eh. Ito si Chase Dimandal. Third personal foul there on the big man. Now the question dito, Coach. Will the sixth man, when we say sixth man, the fans, will the fans be a factor here? Kasi isipin mo tong Canada, they have brought their family and friends.
Yes.
Kanina pa silang maingay. Will that be a factor? Possibly later on with this kind of a close ball game.
Oo, automatic yan. Lagi naman ganyan, Coach Alvin. Lalo na dun sa play na yan.
But that's a miss there. Sayang na oportunidad dyan. They go running the other way here. They give it. Cruz. Severo. The extra pass. Nice passing there. Cruz for 3. No good. Rebounded. Wow. That's another rebound for Valdez. That's rebound number 11.
Yeah.
That's an offensive foul there on Valdez. One of the few errors made by this guy, si Valdez. Gonzalez now will be inbounding 4 minutes and 57 remaining. What's at store here? A seat in the finals. Winner goes to the finals. Loser goes home. Kaya nga po, it's a win or go home situation for both squads. Not just in this ball game, but the entire remaining 3 games ng ating semis. These are all knockout games. Severo now. Sabi ni Severo, kalma lang muna tayo, guys. Severo. The pass to Gonzalez. Ferrer fakes it. Ferrer moves in. Wide open shot. Yun yung gusto mangyari ni Coach Alan.
Yes, napapalakpak, tsaka nagkaroon ng sigh of relief. Ito si Coach Alan doon kasi malaki naman tong si Nino eh. Yun lang kailangan niya gawin. Pag walang tira, pag kumagat yung defensive fake, great drive.
Bautista scoring there. Yun naman ang kailangan ma-stop dito. And look at that. No player helping out the inbounder. Lahat sila bumabahan na eh. Hindi, coach, in your end, as a coach, hindi ka ba napofrustrate din dyan na, huy, bumalik muna kayo dito.
Yes, lagi.
Ferrer, who scored a basket earlier, no good. Rebound, number 12, para dito, kay Valdez.
Bad pass.
Bad pass. Rose. The pass here, Ferrer. Moves in. The shot, no good. Rebound, number 12. Rather, rebound number 13 para dito kay Valdez. Sunod-sunod yung rebounding nito ni Valdez.
Yes.
Here, Bautista. They pass to Alfonso. Alfonso trying to move inside. The defense is turning Gonzalez. The pass inside to Valdez with 1.1 second remaining on the shot clock. And a timeout is called here by Phil Hoops Canada as we are down to 2 minutes and 55 remaining here in the fourth.
Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Two minutes and 55 remaining here in this fourth quarter. As right now, 1.1 second remaining on the shot clock. Alfonso inbounding here. The pass inside. Uy, naka-play yun! Para kay Hernandez. And that's a bad foul there for UBL.
Yeah, great slip doon coming from this guy, Hernandez. Ganda ng set ng play doon. Neto, ni Coach Anthony Alfonso na dito sa weak side, they go pin down. After ng slip screen, napasahan na maganda dito sa paint si Hernandez.
Adrian Hernandez makes the first to go. And kanina, hindi kasi nakita sa camera, pero ako challenge sa langsang. Ako yung coach, ang tawag ko doon, binamp ko yung sarili kong player. Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Yes.
Tabla na naman tayo sa 70. 60 all. Tres, wala sa corner para kay Gonzalez. And Canada will get possession here. And take a look at Coach Allen sa langsang, coach. Kita mo, one error on the other end, you get a foul and you miss that shot. Ill-advised shot yun.
Yes.
Dahil mababa pa yung shot clock.
Oo, tsaka hard close-out, coach eh. Wala siyang space to shoot, pero siguro masasabi natin 4 shot yun.
Bautista. And who's missing on the floor right now, Coach Ernest? No Nathan Sundararaja. I'm seeing him on the bench. He is not in a good state doon. Mukhang may masakit sa likod dito ni Nathan. Hopefully we can get a report here on how Nathan Sundararaja is feeling. At hopefully rin makita rin natin, no, para makita natin mga viewers kung ano ba yung tinutukoy natin on Nathan Sundararaja. You can see them later on. Yeah, pagpunta natin sa bench nila, you will see on your upper right screen. There you go. On your upper right screen, that is Nathan Sundararaja. There as Ferrer scores inside. As we enter the last 2 minutes of twilight zone of this matchup ng bakbakang Phil Hoops Canada and UBL San Felipe Neri.
Yeah, great seal and dive play here for the side of the blue guys at San Felipe.
Oh, another foul there. And Coach Alan says, yes, may foul nga daw.
Yan yung problema nila, Coach. After doing a great job offensively, sa defense naman, nag-choke sila.
Let's take a look at that last play. And ito si Ferrer, nakikita mo, he changed the way he's playing. Hindi na siya pilit ng 3 points.
Oo.
And he missed the first free throw.
And that's the kind of players na gusto mo sa team, Coach. Yung hindi magbabago ng attitude pag napagalitan mo. Susunod sa gusto mo kasi, of course, being a coach, alam mo naman na mag-work yun for your team.
And he makes the second free throw to go. And let's turn it over now to Daphne Lozano on this report on Nathan Sundararaja.
Nathan Sundararaja of Phil Hoops Basketball is now at the bench experiencing extreme pain in his lower back. This was actually rooted from his bad fall during their first game in the elimination round. His mom, currently in the bench with him, shared that he has been sleeping on his belly and not on his back because the pain is recurring. Sa madaling salita, iniinda lang niya yung sakit para lang makalaro siya. Back to you, Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Thank you very much. Masakit yan, lower back. No, Coach Ernest.
Yes, but this will be huge, Coach. Pag nakamake sila dito.
Tingnan natin. Alfonso. The shot, the hot. No good. Rebounded here by Jared Cruz. Still, an opportunity dito, Coach Ernest, para sa kupunan ng Canada because babalik pa sa kanila yung bola. They don't have to foul here. Severo, the pass to Cruz. They go inside to Killian. Taparan. Inside scoring.
Big boy move coming from this guy, Killian.
Killian Taparan hitting an inside play. You go to your money play. That is your inside presence. Killian Taparan, that lakas move of the corner. Atin sa inyo ng Cable Link E-Holdings Corporation. Time out on the floor.
Ako si Carlo Ferreras ng Pampanga Delta. Subaybayan niyo kami sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
They are about to start playing from SLA International. Watch us play SLA Juniors.
Taking a look at Nathan Sundararaja, and he is not really feeling good on that lower back. Naiiyak na siya, Coach Ernest, sa sakit. And syempre, his mom there, overseeing everything. And we just hope that he will be okay. Overall, not just in the next game, possibly if they go on.
Nice! Great play!
Just when we were talking about Nathan, it is something. We are smelling something here, Coach Ernest.
Yeah, great job on this guy, Relos, being ready. Hindi matagal yung playing time niya, pero nung pinasok siya, setting a play. Coach Anthony setting a play for this guy, Relos, being ready dun sa corner. Great find, great pass, great execution.
Wow, Relos. Wala pang naibubuslo na tira, but that last shot, grabe, 1 out of 1, what a way to hit that shot from 3-point distance. And once again, the last time, let's take a look at that. Wide open yun yung Relos hitting a 3. And what time is it? What time is it? It's Relos time.
Hey, ayos yun Hindi, galing yun, Coach Alvin. Di ko na ano yun. Di ko naisip yun
What time is it?
Relos
It's Relos time. Grabe. And I'm very much happy seeing na nakakaupo na si Nathan.
Yes.
Sundararaja. But again, game reset tayo. Timeout situation. Both teams have 1 timeouts. But both teams are already in the penalty. So, kapit, mga kasinag. This is how we watch the world play.
Yeah, they will focus here on the interior.
Severo. The pass. Ferrer to Killian.
Yan na.
Killian moves in.
Yan
Killian
na.
goes in.
I told you, Coach.
You go to your money man.
Yes.
Killian Taparan.
Kung saan ka confident, and that is the big man, Killian Taparan. Great effort dito sa mga guards nila.
And Killian Taparan now with 12 points to his name. And Coach Ernest, right now, I will put you on the spot. How will, or what play will you run in this final 21.2 seconds as we first take a look at our VIP row? Nandyan niya po, Commissioner Rodney Santos, nandyan din po. Boss Eric Quintana, Boss Jun Linogon, nandyan din. And these are our VIPs, and you take a look at our commissioner. There you go. Coach Rodney Santos, Boss Eric Quintana, and syempre COO natin, Coach Leo Isaac, overseeing everything here. So, lahat talaga sila, no? Chine-check. Kanina rin nandito si Boss Realo. Ayan, nandyan. Let's take a look at this last play first. That inside play, that lakas play of the quarter hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asia.
This is what I love about basketball. Ito mga after timeout plays. Oy,
Oy
bad pass!
Ferrer, the sidestep and the score. Now it makes it a 2-possession game with that shot.
Oh man, total meltdown.
Bautista, no good. Taparan, another rebound number 10. And Severo now.
Sayang yun, Coach Alvin.
And susubukan ni Severo to ice this ball game. And look at that, Coach Anthony Alfonso says to his son, use your head. Anong klaseng pasa yun?
Yes.
Di ba? And even you, Coach, if you are in his seat, kumbaga, if you are in his foot pala, Coach Anthony, parang gusto mo sabihin na gano'n, no? Ano ba yan? Severo.
Yeah. Again,
2 for
total
2.
meltdown coming from this guy, Castellano. Sayang talaga yung sinet.
And stepping on the sideline. As that will be it as the UBL squad enters ang ating finals ng 17 under as the UBL San Felipe Neri squad, coached by Coach Alan Salangsang, tutungo nga po sa ating finals wherein they will be waiting for the winner of our next game between Pampanga Pradera and Last Shot Dubai. Our final score, once again, it's 70-64. At syempre, Coach Ernest, sino pa ba ang napili natin na player of the game? Walang iba kundi si Severo. And now let's turn it over to Daphne Lozano with our Sinag player of the game.
Magandang I am now beside our Sinag best player of the game, Sean Severo of UBL San Felipe Neri with 9 points, 11 rebounds, 6 assists, and 1 steal. Congratulations, Sean, sa panalo nyo. So yung level ng intensity at energy ng game ay walang katulad dahil naging dikit nga ang labanan. So paano ka nanatiling kalma nung mga panoong yun?
Lagi pong sinasabi sa amin ni Coach na yung mga kampi ko sa loob ng court, pag nag-struggle sila or nape-pressure, kailangan ko mag-step up para ako magdadala kasi ng team, ako yung point guard. Kaya kailangan ko maging cool lang lagi sa loob ng court. Ayun lang lagi kong tinatandaan kahit na sobrang dikit ng laban. Kaya napapanatili namin yung pacing ng laro.
Nakakatawa nga sa'yo mo, point guard ka, pero grabe yung rebounds mo, pang sentro yung laruan mo. Pero finally, you are going to the final. So, kamusta ang pakiramdam na undefeated pa rin kayo so far?
Sobrang saya po ako.
On to the next game na agad tayo.
Yes, and one final seat has been booked. Up next, yung isang